Engineering can be an intimidating subject, but what if there was an activity that made it simple and fun, like Dowel Structures? This design-based activity uses simple materials to engage in limitless fun and learning. The goal is to create structures that can stand on their own. And during this process, kids will get hands-on with architecture, engineering, and design. Are you ready to get started? Well, let's make sure that you have the materials and space required. You will need dowels that are 3/8 of an inch in diameter and 3 feet long, size 64 rubber bands, and a lot of space. If space and age are a concern, then consider using smaller dowels or chopsticks. Since this activity requires group work, encourage teams of up to 5 kids. Prepare bundles of dowels and rubber bands for each group. And be ready to have extra dowels handy. Now that the materials and space are set up, let's move on to how the activity is done. Kids are challenged to make structures that can stand on their own. This is achieved by connecting the dowels with the rubber bands, like this. Hook the rubber band on one stick, wrap it around until the dowels are secure, then hook the remainder of the rubber band on one of the dowels. This technique makes it easier to disassemble the structures. Before you assemble, keep this in mind. Not all shapes are ideal for this activity. Triangles are the best shapes to use, because they are sturdy and provide the best support. It might be more helpful to let the kids experiment on their own before telling them about the triangle shape. This way they can understand how the triangle shape creates a stronger structure in a very hands-on way. Here are some extra tips. Showing your kids pre-made structures can help motivate or open their minds to new designs. As a facilitator, having a utility belt will come in handy to hold extra rubber bands. Now you're all set to learn and explore. What will you design?